Oh, it's beautiful here. Got a swimming area. Lovely floating dock. I can't see the number on those, but probably 250s by the size of them. But this is the one I'm interested in. Look at the size of those motors. Wow. These are 250s, so the other one's not that big. This boat just flies. It's unreal how fast it can go. What? 500 horsepower on a 20-foot boat. Walking on the Andaman Sea. Haven't done that before. Quite a lot of people here. I thought it was all alone. The viewpoint is up there, but so is the bad weather. We'll see what happens. I'd like to go up there. It is not a beautiful day, but it is a beautiful part of the world. Where we landed is on the other side of the pine forest right there, through the trees. That's beautiful, man. Look at the beach. Oh, we got a boat coming. Maybe they're both coming. There's boats going up and down through here all day long, even way after dark. These longtail boats. There's got to be 1,000 of them around here. They're everywhere. A unique longtail, this one, because they're round bottoms. And very, very nice boats. I think they are. Built strong, huge wood. But they're a little tippy, as you can see. The ocean version of Grab. They'll pick you up anywhere. I didn't see the logo on here. This is a government boat. Park wardens or rangers or something. She's a beauty. I don't like the color. But look at those motors. Wow. Found the number. Just a small one. Just a small motor. old lady lost her hat. She refused to go anywhere because she didn't want to get wet. But her hat didn't agree with that idea at all. One lonely coconut. There's not many boats like this around here. Hardly any, actually, this size. I think I've seen one other one. The rangers or park wardens or whatever they are said don't go to the lookout right now. It's really slippery because of that rain last night. Said it's not worth it. I guess they should know. Those motors sound good.